Okay, thank you, sir. My screen is also visible.
Yes.
Okay. So thank you so much, sir. Thank you, and happy Teachers Day to all of you. And today I am going to demonstrate to you one of the use case that how we can automate our office communications, which where we put a lot of efforts for sending the messages to our customer and reminding them for the compliances. As Dinesh sir is also discussed and demonstrated WhatsApp automations, same way I used Google App Script. By using Google App Script, how we can automate our email messages. So here I have selected some client, uh, created some client list, dummy client list, where I have some client names, email address, and their contact number and service they have. And I have to send them reminder for doing their compliances. So currently in my column number I have the status, and column number J, I have the last reminder sent on the date. So currently I don't have any, the status is blank and last reminder sent is also blank. So when I click on the reminder buttons, I have created one reminder button at here. If I have to send any message to these customers, I no need to write any email manually. I can simply click on this send reminder buttons. This script will send a personalized message to all my customers whose list is available in this spreadsheet. So let me click on this sheet, send a reminder message. So before sending this, let me show you that in my sent message mail, there is the last available is 3:37 p.m. The message was sent. So let me click on the send reminder. When I will click on send reminder, this script is running in backend and sending message to my this client. Now you can see here the status is available, reminder sent manually, because I did here manual interventions by clicking on send reminder button. So message sent by manual intervention and the last reminder sent on this tag. We can go through and check like these email messages has been sent at 4:38. So here I didn't created any didn't write any message to these customers. Like you can see, there some messages were email addresses were not correct, so message not delivered. But you can see like a customer name is there, and reminder is for you for your service. Service name is available in my Google spreadsheet, and the period for which we are sending them a reminder. You can see here and due date is there. Kindly share the required document and confirmation if already submitted, please ignore the message. So you can automate your emails as well as WhatsApp messages by using this Google App Script. This time I used like sending message by using email. I have this in column number X channel, through which channel you want to send this message. So I am using this time, like I don't want to send just by the email, because some people don't see the email regularly. So I also want to send by WhatsApp. So I selecting the channel through which I want to send the message by using WhatsApp. So let me, if I am sending by without clearing this history, this will not send any message because the message already sent. So it skipped the 8 message because in my column number J and I, there is already status is updated. So let me send another message reminder. Click on send a reminder. Then you will find the reminder is sent on 5 September. And you can see in your email as well. Sorry, I did send this time by WhatsApp. So let me show you my WhatsApp message. You can see here, this message has been sent to this person. There's the number available on my sheet that this is reminder for your this GST compliance is for the June month. So this was by using WhatsApp message. And if you want to send that, want to send message to my customer on email, as well as they should receive this update on their WhatsApp also. So you can select the both function. At this time, on their mobile number as well as email address. So click on this again, the reminder button. Now script is running. Sorry, let me clear this status. And then click on send reminder button. Script is running in backend. Now manually 2 messages has been sent and 6 has been skipped because already status is updated there. Now you can see the message has been sent on email 442 and another message has been dropped via WhatsApp message also. 1642, the time is here. The last was 1640. So you can automate your compliances by using Google App Script by going to the extension button, click on App Script, and you can write whatever the code you have written to send the messages to your client. So this is the entire script which I have created by using the help of the chat GPT. This is the complete script. You can put here, deploy it, save the project, and click on run button. Your script will start to work. And you can see here like the trigger message you can send. Whatever the trigger you want to say, set, you can set the trigger like the scheduled reminder. If I have mentioned some scheduled date on that particular time, this email will send to that customer without any human interventions. Right now, I did a manual intervention to send the messages, but if I created the scheduled reminder, that message will be sent on particular date, like on 5th of the month. At this time, that message will be sent to that customers. So this was email automation as well as WhatsApp automation by using Google App Script. And I have used Twilio for the integration of the WhatsApp. So here you can see the message has been sent, outgoing message on 5th of the September to these persons. Here you can see like these messages were sent to these persons at these times. Like on the 2 of the row, I have provided a contact number, actual means the mobile number to whom we have sent a message. So you can see the log here. By using API of the Twilio, we have sent it the message by WhatsApp as well as we sent message on email also. You can see like the in my one of the another email which was message was email address was there. You can see the message received on this email. So this is the my complete demonstration on automation by using Google App Script. You can send email message as well as WhatsApp message. Thank you so much, the committee, AI committee, for providing this a wonderful opportunity. I'm open for the any questions.
Yeah, thank you, Ratan. This Twilio is a paid application or?
Sir, I didn't use the like the paid subscription. I used the means freeware.
And the messages go from the Twilio number, is it? It cannot go from
Yes,
your
yes.
number?
Means yes, a Twilio sandbox means if I want to send from my mobile number, then I should have to use its
Paid
subscribed
subscription.
version. Yes, yes.
Oh,
So
okay.
yes, I used the sandbox of the Twilio. The currently messages are being sent by its sandbox number.
Oh, got it.
Yes. And
My
yeah,
question was also same
yes.
relating to the costing of sending messages. I think that has been appropriately answered, and the same was asked by Venu sir. Thank you.
Good.
Okay, welcome.
Let's check with Amit. Amit?
Yes, sir,
can
I'm ready
you-
now.
Okay, let me stop my setting.
Yeah.